This video tutorial I will cover how to inject java.util.Properties using Spring Dependency injection by setter method. Here I have defined a class fruit shop. It has two variables, shop name and available fruits. Available fruits is type of java.util.Properties, and here I have defined setter and getter methods for these two variables, and it has display fruit shop info method. This is the Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using Spring dependency injection by setter method. In this case, set shop name method will be called by Spring container, and value will be set as fruit mart. In this case, set available fruits method will be called by Spring container, and properties will be set as two key value pairs. First key value per key is 1 and value is apple. Second key value per key is 2 and value is grapes. Props element is used to define the properties. What object to instantiate, what object to configure, and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example, we have specified fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using Spring dependency injection by setter method. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates a fruit shop object, configure the fruit shop object, and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output, and fruit shop object shop name is set as fruit mart, and available fruits contains two key value pairs.